I really hate those things. Another day, another WIRC Firecracker video. Let's get started. Okay, YouTubers, I hope you remember that I make these videos to entertain and to educate. They're not for you to emulate, so please don't try this at home. First of all, I've got my fuel and my oxidizer for me. I've got my fuel and oxidizer for my flash powder. I've got my fuse. I've got my scale. And I guess the next decision is just how much flash powder will it take to firecracker this thing. Let's see. I went 5.5 for that laptop. Certainly I won't need that much. Now, and you've seen the power of my 1 gram flash firecrackers. I'm thinking I'm going to mix up 3 grams of flash for this alarm clock. I think step 1 is going to remove any of these metal components because I don't want the chance of any static or any kind of capacitor or anything in here to set off this flash powder. So I'm just going to remove these metal components here. Take some tape and cover up these holes so none of my flash powder spills down on the inside of the clock. Got my pyrotechnic mixed up here. Let's measure out about 3 grams. 3 grams. I never store this flash powder. I only use the amount of pyrotechnic I'm going to use in one video, and it'll all be burned up within a matter of minutes. This I'll just burn off outside. So I got 3.1 grams of flash powder. Right down into the battery compartment. You guys remember what I say about fuse? Fuse is cheap. Fingers are not. I can cut this much fuse, and when I record the video and edit it, I can edit out this much of the time so we can get to the good part. Take this down to my area in the backyard and blow something up. Alright, YouTubers, here's the setup. WIRC Firecracker, alarm clock, 3 grams of flash powder. Due to the nature of this object, the potential for shrapnel is pretty high. So again, I'm going to be hiding behind my steel tank here to protect myself. Wearing my safety shield as well. I think I've got everything set up properly. my goodness. I don't see anything left. There's a little motor in the back. I think this is the bell ringer motor. Here's a little bit left of the clockwork itself. Well, I really can hardly find any pieces left. Well, I think I've shown that, yes, in fact, an alarm clock will firecracker. I hope you liked that video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. If you think a friend might like to check it out, then please share it. If you have comments, questions, suggestions, maybe what should I will at Firecracker next, they go down below. And subscribe to my channel. But I don't know if you think I earned it.